Good evening, and thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather news portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the daily video forecast discussion analysis for Tax Day, Monday, April 15th, 2013. High pressure was off the southern New England coast late this evening and early tonight, and as a result, the winds have been onshore this afternoon. They've been from the east and southeast, and there's been a couple of areas of mid and upper level cloudiness across the region during today, and that has brought mostly cloudy skies in many regions, and other areas where there was clearing, temperatures rose to around 60. Back towards the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes region, we have an upper low and a surface low now developing across the southeastern Canada, and a cold front snaking south and east. And this will be implied that we will have the chance of some showers and thunderstorms by tomorrow evening, though they're not going to be that greatly coverage in a large area in coverage, mostly scattered, but we'll get to that in just a moment. And the NAM-WRF model this evening, late this afternoon, shows any cloud cover that's over the area will kind of be in and out of the region. This is the frontal boundary here, getting close to the region, moving very slowly, however, during the day on Wednesday morning, and finally passing to the south during Wednesday afternoon. So looks like we're probably going to be getting into a period here, if we stall this out. Getting into a period here, we're going to find some shower or thunderstorm activity to the north over Sussex County and parts of southern New England as we get through the day on Wednesday. Also, the NAM-WRF model has temperatures tomorrow in the 60s and 70s, except for the immediate coastal areas here of New Jersey on Tuesday with a lot more sunshine. And then the cloud cover increases during the day on Wednesday. There is a threat of showers to the north, and otherwise pretty nebulous during the day on Wednesday night and Thursday as the winds become onshore again. As high pressure moves off the New England coast, the winds become onshore, and lots of cloud cover, a variable to considerable cloud cover for Wednesday night and Thursday, but not really much in the way of precipitation except perhaps some drizzle. Here's the GFS for today and tonight, actually showing the high pressure ridge over and the southern New England coast and ridging down through the Appalachian Mountains into the middle interior of the southeastern and southern Atlantic coastline and interior southeastern United States as well during tonight. Now, as we go in time, we'll find that high pressure will be moving off the southern New England coast, low pressure in southeastern Canada with its cold front now draping across portions of Missouri and Indiana, Kentucky, and that will be moving in our direction, but very, very slowly. And we can see the frontal band with the precipitation getting in here during the day on Wednesday evening. And as the front slowly makes its way through and gradually weakens, as that low begins to move into southeastern Canada and away from the forecast area. High pressure will then build in across the Great Lakes, and eventually that will turn our winds onshore as a deeper trough develops across the plains and then moves up towards the St. Lawrence River Valley and the Great Lakes region as we get through the day on Thursday and Friday. And we can see the onshore flow now dampening with northeasterly winds, so these days will probably be cooler with an onshore flow once again. But Tuesdays are probably going to be our warmest day. Wednesday might get close to it, but then that will depend on how fast the return flow gets in here and how far south that front gets with the wind shift to the north and then eventually to the northeast. It's not like the air mass here is very cold. It's the wind direction and the water temperatures here which make the big difference. As we get through the day on Wednesday and Thursday, actually, high pressure is in control, lots of cloud cover around, and most of the precipitation moving in very, very, very slowly, probably not getting in here until during the day on Friday, and probably later on Friday night is when we're going to see the spokes of this, as we can see the low pressure system really winding up here across the Great Lakes and the front becoming occluded as it makes its way towards the eastern seaboard. and then just a lot of rain here. We could have periods of moderate to heavy rain around here during Friday night and early Saturday with an upslope wind, a wind from the south and parallel to the front itself. So it's going to mean a lot of high precipitable water values here. We could be looking at, well, 3/4 to an inch of rain in spots across the region on Friday night and into Saturday morning. And we do need the rain, however. As that front makes its way off the coast, the rain will begin to exit during the day on Saturday morning, and the clouds will begin to break up as high pressure begins to come in control. A nice weekend is in store with beautiful fair weather skies and moderate temperatures during the day on Saturday night and Sunday, especially on Sunday, as high pressure is ridging all the way here down from the northern New England states all the way down through the southeastern United States. So that's a wrap for this Monday evening, and we'll be back with a forecast video discussion for Tuesday morning, bright and early tomorrow. For GardenStateWeather.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You make it a pleasant evening.